you're looking for a haircut that will make you look stylish and modern in 2025, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share the top 7 haircuts for black men that suit different tastes and hair types. Whether you prefer a classic look or want to try something bold and new, you will find the perfect style that matches your personality. Stick around until the end and let's get started. 1. Short waves. If you prefer a sleek and simple look, short waves are a great choice. This haircut gives you a classic touch with smooth waves that reflect elegance and attention to detail. To keep them looking sharp, you will need the right styling, creams and waves brush, but once you get used to the routine, you'll find it's easy to maintain and looks great all the time. 2. High fade with curls. This haircut is the perfect blend of modern and natural stylish, featuring a high fade on the sides while keeping the curls full of life on top. It's ideal if you want a haircut that highlights your natural extra while maintaining a sharp and stylish edge. You can enhance this look by using curl defining creams to keep your curls soft and well defined. 3. Dreadlocks. Dreadlocks are a bold and unique hairstyle, but if you don't want long hair, short dreadlocks are the perfect alternative. This look gives you a strong, confident vibe while being easier to maintain than longer braids. You can add a high fade or even some shaved lengths for a more modern twist. 4. Box fade. The box fade is a classic haircut, making a strong comeback in 2025. It features sharp, well-defined angles that create a bold and structured look. If you like hairstyles that blend elegance and strength, this one is for you. To keep it looking fresh, make sure to visit your barber regularly for touch-ups. 5. Classic Afro. The Afro is a timeless symbol of natural beauty and identity, and it never goes out of style. In 2025, the Afro is even more stylish thanks to modern hair care touching cues that allow you to shape and control its volume with ease. This haircut exudes confidence and highlights your hair's natural thickness. Just make sure to keep your hair moisturized and use the right products to maintain its shine and health. 6. Short twists. Short twists are the great choice for men who want a trendy yet low maintenance hairstyles. This look offers flexibility. You can wear it naturally or pair it with fade for a more contemporary touch. Short twists are perfect for any occasion, whether you are going for a formal or casual look. Plus, they're easy to maintain at home with the right hair products. 7. Bold fade with beard. If you're going for a bold yet refined look, this bold fade with a beard is the way to go. This style features a clean, bridal fade down to the skin, giving you a neat and polished appearance. The beard adds balance and gives you masculine, stylish edge. To maintain this look, trim your beard regularly and use beard oil to keep it soft and healthy. This were the top 7 haircuts for black men in 2025. Whether you love classic styles or prefer bold, there's always a perfect haircut for your personality. Let me know in the comments which style do you like the most, and is there a favorite cut we don't mention? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next